Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use an oxygen machine at home. First, find a good spot for your machine. Place it on a flat, stable surface, ensuring it's at least 6 inches from any walls or furniture for proper airflow. Next, check that the air filter is clean and correctly inserted. If you use a humidifier, fill it with distilled water to the indicated line and attach it securely. Now, let's connect your oxygen delivery device. Securely attach your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the machine's oxygen outlet. If using a cannula, gently insert the prongs into your nostrils. For a mask, ensure it fits snugly over your nose and mouth. Always check that the tubing is free of kinks to maintain an uninterrupted oxygen flow. With everything connected, it's time to turn on your machine. Power it on and carefully set the oxygen flow rate exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Look for the indicator lights to confirm the machine is operating correctly and receiving power. If you have a pulse oximeter, use it to monitor your oxygen saturation levels as advised by your healthcare provider. Proper maintenance and safety are crucial. Clean your air filter weekly using mild soap and water, allowing it to air dry completely before reinserting. Replace your nasal cannula or mask regularly, usually every 2 to 4 weeks, to ensure hygiene and effectiveness. Always keep your oxygen machine away from open flames, heat sources, and smoking materials to prevent hazards.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.